The next part is actually going to be a Premiere Pro. I will show you some of the key features, some of the functionalities that you can do in Premiere. For example, here on my screen, if I switch to the Premiere Pro, you can see that my device switched to the Premiere Pro profile automatically. I can use the dial to scrub the timeline, very smooth. I can use the roller to zoom in and zoom out. And on my keypad, I have some frequently used actions. For example, add edit, ripple delete, full screen, save, import, marking, mark out, and quick export. And for example, if I move on my timeline, I can add edits like that. I can also undo, redo with these buttons. I have play, stop, toggle here, and the actions here, actions ring on this key. Also, something that you can do is, for example, color label your clips. So if you use some color labels, you can use it here, very quick and nice. And also, if you use, for example, different customized workspaces within Premiere Pro, you can use these buttons to navigate those workspaces. If I jump to assembly, editing, color, and in the color workspace, of course, I can color grade my footage. What I have here is the input LUT button. It's something that helps you to jump through the LUTs. And if I want to color grade my clip, I can activate the actions ring, navigate, and adjust the sliders, as you can see.
Just like in Lightroom.
Just like in Lightroom. It's very smooth, very fast. And for example, also another cool feature is, I think Niels mentioned it, but you can activate the actions for the dial using the keys as well. Here, for example, I have different adjustments, so I can quickly jump through those adjustments just using the keypad. And what's also cool, because I don't need to use the color lumetri panel at all, I can go into the full screen. And for example, if I navigate somewhere here,
oh, wow.
I can use the keypad to color grade my footage in full screen. And this is really amazing. This is something that you cannot achieve without the console. And for example, if you don't want to go into the full screen, but you are, let's say, in your editing workspace. You are in the editing workspace, but you still want to color grade. So this is still possible, and you don't need to have the lumetri open. Another cool thing I wanted to show you is something that you can adjust is for the crop. For example, I can scale my clip. I can also crop it from different sides. I can also add the edge feather. Now, this is a really nice, precise, and easy way to interact with your footage. And the last thing to mention here is also another macro example. I have created this button to slow my clip to 50%. So I have my clip selected. I press on this key, boom, and my clip is slowed to 50%. It's very easy. I can show you in the software how the key looks like. Let me go here.
It's fun how when you do this macro, you see
what
is going
so
on,
cool.
but it's so quick that you see something is happening.
Yeah, it's always so cool. You can see it just consists of 3 actions. So the first one is speed duration to open the actual panel. The next one is paste text. So I paste 50 for 50%. You can paste, of course, any other number. And the last one is the key for the return. So I save and exit the menu. But yeah, that's pretty much it for Premiere Pro. Are there any actions with double click or hold on the keypad? This is a good question. So you do have possibility to assign some keyboard modifiers that allow you a hold press, but there is no possibility to assign a second level of customization for the double click or hold per button. Alternatively, there is a thing that's called multi-toggle. So it allows you to stack up to 5 actions per one button. It's actually really a great way to save space on the keypad as well and to quickly toggle through some of the actions that might be, I don't know, similar to each other.
In Lightroom, I use that, for example, to toggle between the view different view modes.
Yeah.
I have one with the like I press once, I'm in survey, another time I'm in compare, another time I'm in grid mode, and or just 2 modes. It can be to activate, deactivate something. It's pretty useful. You don't necessarily need to put 5 steps.